Part of what makes this campus a unique learning environment is what's on the second floor. It's HISD's first ever military academy for middle school students. It's a concept that became a reality thanks to Superintendent Mike Miles. First Sergeant Cinnamon Chambers has been teaching the program over the past year and tells us this program isn't just for students who want to enlist in the military. The program benefits every student by teaching them life skills.
My job here as a leadership, character, and development instructor, LCD, is to not encourage them to go into the military. I'm not a recruiter. And I was an Army drill sergeant, but I'm not a recruiter. I'm actually encouraging them to go to college. I want them to pursue those academic and trade schools after high school. So not necessarily military, because the military is not for everyone, and that's okay. But college definitely can be, but at the same time, college may not be for everyone. So the military is an option. So I am presenting both in the middle school, but my focus is college and how to prepare them for high school, which will prepare them for college. A lot of curriculum, or my curriculum, is based off of leadership, test-taking skills, resiliency, anger management, stress management, health and fitness, physical fitness, and confidence builders. A lot of those that give them those life skills in the classroom and outside of the classroom, in their communities and at home, that will prepare them in high school, outside of high school, and beyond.
And take a look, like I mentioned, the Cullen Military Academy is on the second floor of the school. But as First Sergeant Chambers tells us, next year, things are going to look pretty different. That's because the program is expanding.
Well, next year we are moving hallways because we're in this academy hallway now. We're moving to another hallway because we need more classrooms. We need more teachers.
Expanding?
Yes, we're expanding. We're getting more teachers because we're getting 2 strands of 6th graders coming in. On top of the 6th grade class we have now, soon to be 7th grade, we're hopefully getting about 50 more cadets, which means we need more classrooms, we need more teachers. And I'm looking forward to shifting our academy over there, getting our own space for our own cafeteria, utilizing our obstacle course that we have built outside, and plus getting more into our archery training. Because I am also the archery instructor, and I plan on competing in our archery team next year against our high schools and other middle schools.